Custom spring design simply means that the customer is going to be able to get exactly what they want out of a part, whether they're working to tight space constraints or specific performance requirements. These can be met. Special forms and features can also be added to enhance the properties or aid compatibility with mating parts. Custom design springs are not applicable to any particular industry, but can be specified across the board. It really depends on the specific requirements of the spring itself. In particular, when it comes to extreme working conditions, then springs fabricated from the high-end alloy wires will normally be specified. But it also comes down to practicality and meeting the performance requirements the customer needs. And there is always the case where something designed that is going to be more efficient and fit for purpose will be introduced. Customers must usually supply a specification form or assembly drawings to start the process of a custom spring design. The main points taken into consideration when looking into a new design will be the size constraints of the spring, the working load lengths, the environment, and the functional longevity. We generally work with the customer to understand their needs and their timelines and can work around this to deliver parts when required. Prototypes can also be supplied on a short delivery time to aid development. Custom spring design in terms of the size range is practically limitless. We can dramatically expand on what we offer from the catalogue and can coil springs from a diameter of less than 1 mm up to the other end of the scale for very large springs, but it really depends on the application. The materials used include the copper alloys, nickel alloys, standard carbon steels, all stainless steel grades. There's also oil tempered wires. It really depends on the application, what material we need to use. And the range available to us is anything we can source, and we can always coil something out of it. The more expensive high-end wires that we use in some of our jobs include MP55N and things like 718 Inconel.